Trump has followed through on his threat of additional 50% tariff on China starting Wednesday. The White House announced that this will make America's new tariff on China an unprecedented 104%, and the President Donald Trump had given China 24 hours to roll back or withdraw the retaliatory 34% tariff if it imposed that on the United States good, failing to which Chinese would be punished with 104% tariff. Also, Beijing dared Washington to do so earlier today. Within hours, Donald Trump had to approve it. Also, journey from 10 to 104 is under a week. The United States is used to tariff China at 10% till last month, which President Donald Trump said robbed and ripped off the US economies of billions and billions of dollars as the tariff abuser Beijing levied a higher tariff on the United States good. Last week, Donald Trump also announced his reciprocal tariff move, wherein the United States would charge another country's roughly half the tariff that nation charged the United States. For China, this was additional 34%, taking Beijing's tally to 44%. Minutes after President Trump's reciprocal tariff announcement on April 2nd, the White House told reporters that due to the national emergency, which has stemmed from national security concerns due to persistent trade deficit, the United States is imposing a baseline 10% tariff on all countries. China's basket of tariff now stood at 54%. Now, with today's additional 50% tariff solely for China, Beijing now faces an unprecedented levy of 104%, a near 100% rise in less than a week. President Donald Trump, however, still left the door ajar for the Beijing to reconcile. In the post on the social media platform Truth Social, he wrote, "China also wants to make a deal badly, but they don't want to know how to get it started. We are waiting for their call." Also, China says will fight to the end. Also, the earlier today, the news is that China has responded to the President Donald Trump's ultimatum to withdraw Beijing's retaliatory move. They called it blackmail. The United States' threat to escalate tariff against China is a mistake on the top of the mistake, which once again exposes the United States' blackmailing nature and tactics. China Commerce Ministry said in the statement, adding that if the United States insists on having its way, China will fight to the end. The world faces an uncertain scenario with the two largest economies in the midst of a no-hold-barred trade war. Also, neither side is willing to blink as global markets have already experienced the biggest fall since COVID-19 pandemic. We'll have to see how the story unfolds in a couple of more days and weeks to